Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on mobile. First, download the eFootball app from your device's official app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, launch the game and complete the initial tutorial. This essential step introduces you to fundamental controls and game mechanics. Then, choose your preferred control scheme: classic for button-based actions, or advanced for touch gestures. This choice significantly impacts your gameplay experience, so pick what feels most comfortable for you. Now let's master the basic controls. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a virtual joystick. Use this to precisely control your player's movement across the pitch. The right side of the screen is for actions. A simple tap allows you to pass the ball, take a shot on goal, or perform a defensive tackle. For more nuanced plays, swipe on the right side. A quick swipe up or down can execute a through pass or a lofted ball, adding depth to your attacking strategies. Ready to elevate your game? Advanced techniques are key. You can execute various skill moves by swiping in specific directions on the right side of the screen. Experiment to find your favorites. Defensively, apply pressure by holding the sprint button while your player is near an opponent. This helps win back possession. Don't forget set pieces. Mastering free kicks and corners can create excellent scoring opportunities. Practice these in training mode to gain a significant advantage over your opponents. Finally, building your ultimate team is crucial for long-term success. Acquire new players through various methods, including scouting, agent events, and opening player packs. Once you have your players, develop their skills and assign training programs to boost their overall stats and performance. Don't underestimate the power of strategy. Formulate tactical plans and adjust your team's formation to counter different opponents. A well-balanced team with a smart strategy can overcome even the toughest challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.